Alright, let's do a little unboxing today because we're gonna wash this filthy Hellcat. Brake dust, bugs all over the place. I got this set. I'll put the link in the description below. Amazon. It comes with a wash mitt, a small drying towel, and a big drying towel. Since I started using drying towels, my washing got shorter, more efficient, and just a lot better, a lot more fun than using a small drying towel. Big drying towels are fantastic and absorbing, so we're gonna do that today. As you can see, all the bugs in the windshield. All right, let's do this. Check the link in the description for these items if you want to get them. All right, car wash time, but cold start first. The result of the 2-bucket wash. The only thing that takes long is the wheels because they're a little complicated kind of wash. I have to bend over. I don't like bending over, but nice and shiny and slick, slippery. Very slippery. That's what it looks. hopefully this information was useful. Comment below. See you next time. Bye for now.